Specifically engineered for the Hyte Y60 chassis, this display features a custom bracket that integrates seamlessly into the corner glass panel without requiring additional hardware. The 12.6-inch IPS panel delivers a crisp visual experience with a resolution of 1920 by 515 and a wide 178-degree viewing angle. Gamers will appreciate the smooth performance provided by the 60 Hz refresh rate and a rapid response time ranging from 3 to 5 milliseconds. Unlike many similar modification kits, this unit includes dual built-in speakers, adding audio functionality to your setup without the need for external peripherals. The kit arrives with everything required for a plug-and-play setup, including a screwdriver, a mini HDMI adapter, and necessary cabling for immediate operation. Powering the device is flexible via the included DC cable or a separate micro USB connection, ensuring compatibility with various power supply configurations within your computer.